feel bad.
Okay, well, I'm frozen. Oh, here we go.
Harassment, no one cares.
It's the Yeti taunt, but okay. Come, you know that hole we have to fall in? I'm gonna do the man aerobics down it. Hold on, I gotta do this part first. I'm man aerobicsing down.
I'm dead.
I'm going there. How did you die already?
With the pickaxe.
Wait, I can do that part. I can do the thing here. Whoa, I'm frozen. Okay, that was a weird glitch. Whee. Okay, well, I made it down here. Age restriction. No. You know what? I'll pretend that brother was shown. The boobies were shown. It's good. Wait, what the heck? How do you get on there so fast? Like really instant. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
What?
I almost went into the green spikes. Cause last time the travel was activated, but I don't trust this time. I ran past that last time to pure luck. I'll just do this. No, I want an RTV. Screw that. I just start recording here. Oh, and that failed.
Harassment.
Oh no, the Necro Smash got him. Somebody got killed by the Necro Smash. Yep, that was an easy one to get through. Great. Okay, those are pumpkin bombs, and I don't trust them. Those better not get detonated on me. Okay, they didn't get detonated. What's this new? I know this is gonna kill me if I go through this line. I almost didn't know this line. If I go past it, though, I'm gonna get killed probably. Give me an ASP boost. I'm YOLOing. Oh my god, I made it through. I actually made it. Oh my god, yes! Let's get him. I love when they give us extra health this time. Okay. Get him. Oh, you can random crits. Not random crits, fire. Get him! Katana! I'm gonna kill him with the katana, guys. Okay, we got this. We almost got him. We almost got Erasmus. Why is he holding still? He's frozen. Whoa! Unless we go ahead now.
I'm lagging.
Here? I don't know if here.
Oh, Marshall, are you lagging?
Nope. No. Oh, you gotta go into the bomb and Amicon. Okay. Oh, I probably shouldn't have went off the platform.
Team scramble!
Stuck. Isn't that my talkable talk? Oh boy, here we go.
Oh, I'm in the bumper cars!
Okay, this is actually hard to drive through without falling off.
I'm dead.
No! Crap! I fell off the edge.
You died?
Yeah, I fell.
I was dead.
I accidentally mouse 2'd and okay, I was messing with mouse 2, but I accidentally did that and spit and got a speed boost off the edge.
Valves push over. Spy's still here.
Yep, rest in peace. Okay, I'm good. Get in your head, guys. Like, wait, I can do the new time here. I'll have to own it.
I actually changed. My bone actually changed to the soldier.
Let's go. Whoa, I forgot there's a trap right there. I forgot there's a trap right here. I need to get spike. Oh no. Right, there's a bunch of Congan spikes. Poor spy. God, look at this poor spy over here. Whoa, nope, nope, spikes. Can't go spikes. Right. YOLO, I'm about to go for it. Screw you guys. Oh, hey, dude. Run. Get me out of here. He's gonna hunt me down now. It's alright, thanks. I tried yelling it, but I failed. Whoa, game lag.
Your game lag?
Yeah, I was just like trying to lag as I got close to my... It lagged as I get close to my Rasmus for some reason. Oh, here comes the Mummy
Your team has started the lift. Get ready to test your strength.
Yeah. Oh, there's a ghost changer on the thing. I just do that. Supposed to be a studio of our own, I think. Kyle, are you on the lift?
No, I never got on.
Yeah. Are you alive? Oh, not the bumper cars again. Oh god, here we go. I'm alive!
We need to be careful.
Ha! When I switched classes, I actually came back as Angie.
No.
Do not hit your mouse. Do not do it. It will give you a ginormous speed boost, and it is a pain in the butt. It'll, like, make you uncontrollably fly off the edge, basically. Like, you'll get this ginormous speed boost, and you'll just fly off.
I'm lagging.
Well, you might want to use your mouse to, like, maneuver your screen a bit, but...
I'm dead.
No, cat.
My game was lagging.
Whoa.
The headless, horseless horseman.
Oh no, not him.
For my amusement.
Not the headless, horseless horseman.
Red scores a goal. Goal for Red score. Red wins.
Technically, we're supposed to be able to kill each other because some fighters normally everyone win, but yeah. I'm gonna die. Yeah. Blue for blue. There's not even any blue here. What's that? Cat, I'm gonna do a taunt down there. I'm gonna taunt my way down the hole again. That's not Cat. Let's do a jumping jack. Get off this one. I'm a chubby engineer. Or not.
Wait, what?
Kidding me, I freaking got Uber saw by a medic. I hate friendly fire. I hate, like, they used to not even do this. I don't like the they enable that friendly fire beam. Hopefully this one we can actually do this. They'll send the taunt. Oh my god, Cat, wait, are you deaf? No, he is.
Short version, Marasmus owes $12,000 to the Japanese mafia.
What on earth? I love how I'm doing, Cat, I love how I'm doing the jumping jack taunt down there. Yeehaw. It's hillbilly time. It's hillbilly time, boys. Who needs to actually work? You can stay here and be a hillbilly. Guys, hillbilly time. We just gotta be a hillbilly. It's the #1 key to winning. I probably should go now. Oh my gosh, I'm actually going to sentry. I got a sentry gun. You know what? I'm just gonna sit back here and play the banjo. I'm just gonna sit back here and play the banjo. Who needs to do anything? You got the banjo. I got a banjo. Who needs to do anything? There's a pyro ice skating over there. Cat, where are you right now? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I just wanted the banjo. Okay, don't worry, guys. He can't get me over here. He can't get. Okay, he can get me over there. Never mind. Don't worry. He can't. He can't stop the dueling banjo. He can't stop the hillbilly. I agree. Survive until he leaves. If he does, actually. I don't know if he does here. Oh, hey, Nemo. Welcome to our corner. This is the #1 key to winning this part. You sit here, you get yourself a banjo, and get him out. I'm just sitting here on the banjo. Cat, are you alive?
No.
Cat, find me, find me. Do you see me right now?
Oh my god.
Here it goes. Cat, I'm literally sitting over here in the corner where I cannot get killed playing the banjo. I'm just gonna play the banjo.
I'm dead.
I love how we're all actually heading over here. Wait, he's leaving in 30 seconds. Okay, yeah, all we gotta do is really hide. Also, being allowed behind the car, I'll probably do myself. Okay, nope, I'm on fire. I'm going back.
Who's that?
God damn it. Scruffy.
Oh. What's Scruffy want?
He's saying all this and damn man. Like, I'm Twitch. I'm not actually Twitch. Pyro. Let's go. The Moroccan should say konnichiwa. Look at my beautiful heavy. Wait, all my heavy just right. Okay. I'm gonna kill three. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. This is how I want to end the video off, guys. Look at my pyro. He's just ice getting down. You're gonna love the footage when it's out. I have my pyro literally just like over it. He's not even there. Just go. I'll look through the wall. It was a glitch. Oh, doctor is here. Doctor? There's just two pyros ice skating. Ow. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, this must be freaking die. Wow. Look at that. He can't get me up here. He actually can't hit me up here. What the heck? Okay, no, 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 no. Come on, hammer time, boy.